guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today, before I start, let me thank each and every one of you who supporting my channel, and please like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So for today, I'm going to do my first mini saving challenges game, my first mini Monday saving challenges of 2025. And for the amount that I will save is $50. So for my mini saving challenges, I will stuff $50. I will play this one on mini saving challenges. And for my mini saving challenges, I will randomly select it. So what I have here is what I collected last year, and I still have a lot, but this is the one I already print out for months. So let me select it from this one. So I will just shuffle it and I will cover my eyes. And so this laminated one, obviously from, I know from where, so I just keep shuffling it. And let's select 6. Okay, I will close my eyes. Okay, then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and I will keep this one on the side. And let's see from which saving challenge, from which channel I got these saving challenges. Okay, so this one is from Simply Living Saves. This is mine. This from my summer spring challenges that I created. You can find it on my Copa shop. And this one is from Cathy of Course Budgets. This is from Rocks Budget. This is some from Globe Budget, and this is one is from Madeline Budget. So let's arrange this. So cruise budget, 1, 2, let's do like this, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Right, for the money, I will use prop money first, and I will keep this $50 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and $50. So let's start. And let's roll the dice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, let's put 5. So for this one, each icon I will put $5. Okay. So 5, let's put 5. 5 again. 3. So each icon is, I forgot, $5. If you see it, let me check if you still see it. Okay. Next 2. Next 4. Oh, my challenge. Next 1. Roll the dice. Come on, 6. 1. Last 2. 5. Last 1. 5 again. So number 6 didn't get any. So let me change this. Okay, let's me count. Okay, for Cathy of Course Budgets, it got $15. So let's just cross this out. 5 icon. 1, 2, 3. And let's grab my, and let's change $10 into this. Okay, let's change $10 into this. Oops. I will put it on my reusable laminated envelope. This one I will reuse until it still can use. So I don't want to throw it out until I can use it. So one. And then this one is from Madeline Budget. It's a Sakura. It's a 3 saving challenges in one A4 size paper. So the amount that you save it if you finish it is $60. So I have 5 here. So let's cross 4 and 1. Ah! And let's put it in here. Next one is from Simply Living Saves. So this one I only have one here, so cross this out. And this was supposed to be roll and save, so I don't want to do it roll and save, so I just designate $5 each of this circle. So just put $5 or just cross it out like that. All right. Next one is from from Rocks Budgets. You got $20, and the maximum money that you can save here is 35. So let's cross this out. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So this is $20. Let's change this into notes. And this one doesn't get any. And for the rest of the money here, $20, I will keep it in one envelope and I will put it on my mini saving challenges binder, which is this one. This is my first ever 6-hole saving binder. As you can see, it's already old, but I'm a sentimental person and I cannot just throw things that I really love, and it's and we have a story together. So this one, I will just keep it in here as well as the all mini saving challenges. So the money that I will save in mini saving challenges is still, I'm still thinking where to put it. But for now, let me save this $50 first here, and if any completed one, I will keep it first and I will reallocate it if or whatever decision I will make. So for now, thank you so much for watching my channel and watching my video. That's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. God bless you all. Keep saving. Make saving a habit. A little bit goes a long way. Don't forget that. Bye.